very good morning to all of you. Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Prahlad Joshi, our Union Minister, who is addressing very important renewable energy subject. Honorable our dynamic Mayor Ritu Taudeji, Mr. Sanjay Mukherjee, Commissioner MMRDA, Srimati Jayashree Bhoj, Secretary Environment, Shishir ji, who just addressed, and all the dignitaries from all over the world, almost 30 countries. I first of all welcome you all for this Mumbai Climate Week. Today, climate actions have clearly moved from intent to execution. Across the world, from London Climate Action Week to New York Climate Action Week, cities are emerging as frontline of the climate response. Mumbai's Climate Week is India's contribution to the global movement with clear focus on practical and scalable and finance-ready solutions. As our civilizational wisdom reminds us, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family. This principle reinforces that climate action is a shared global responsibility. What affects one region ultimately affects all. For Maharashtra and particularly for Mumbai, the climate challenges is immediate and visible. We are witnessing rising urban heat stress. We are witnessing intense rainfall events. We are witnessing flooding and coastal risk, increasing pressure on air quality and urban systems. As well as, because I come from rural Maharashtra, we are witnessing droughts and we are witnessing floods which are unexpected. So all this is because environment is not being taken care of. Mumbai Climate Week, that's why, has been conceptualized by Project Mumbai, a partnership with Department of Environment and Climate Change and Government of Maharashtra. With the support of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, we appreciate the strong institutional collaborations that has made this platform possible. Importantly, this platform is designed not only for dialogues, but also for implementation and financing pathways, ensuring the ideas translate into projects and measurable outcomes. I request all of you to participate in each and every sessions here and give your valuable inputs. Maharashtra today stands among India's leading states, lot of industrialization, lot of urbanization, lot of growth, and that is why lot of environment issues we will be able to face. But we are integrating climate resilience, economic growth, social inclusion into unified development pathways, moving from isolated initiatives to system-based climate response across energy, urban development, water, and infrastructure. Our goal is, our sustainability is our agenda, and we are focusing on it, and it will be totally action-oriented. We are expanding renewable energy and energy efficiency across the public infrastructure. We are strengthening climate-resilient urban development by embedding climate risk into city planning and infrastructure. At the government level and governance level, climate considerations are being mainstreamed across the departments so that sustainability becomes central to the department planning. And this has been specifically instructed by Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Chief Minister. Whatever plan we are submitting should be totally sustainable and totally environment focused. However, the scale of the challenges required stronger partnership and innovations. A key priority is enabling adoption by government and city agencies. Our objective is very clear. Climate responsive planning and resilient infrastructure must become a standard practice across Maharashtra, across the nation. Equally, the citizen of this state, the city, and youth engagement is very essential. Climate action must become a whole of society effort. We are promoting community awareness, climate literacy, and youth-led initiative so that citizens, especially young people, become very aware and become active partners in building sustainable, resilient Maharashtra and India, and eventually a sustainable, resilient globe. Mumbai Climate Week brings together delegates from all over 30 countries of the global south, cities across Asia, Africa, Latin America, who are facing similar pressures. I also, last couple of days, met dignitaries from Japan, from UN, and really interacted with them from bottom of heart. There was no formality. We were talking about a lot of concern about the globe, and we all have to work towards that. Climate action succeeds only when we all think in one line, and we all think, may our flags, may our continents are different, may our flags have different colors, but as a globe, we all have to think of one color, maybe which is a green cover and a beautiful, clean environment for the future generations to come. With these words, I formally again welcome you all and wish you all the best. Next 3 days, please deliver all practical outcomes, durable partnerships, measurable climate progress for the Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and the whole globe. Before ending my speech, I would say, if you realize your responsibility, you will realize your destiny. So today what you see as your responsibility is destiny of the future generations. We all will come together to change it for good, and we have all put efforts to kind of change this environment for this color. Now let's make it clean for the future. Thank you very much.
एबीपी माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.
Thank you.